Something that I love about being part of National Youth Theatre Wales is the sense of community, and being there on the residency and meeting all these people from all around Wales, all who have this shared love of theatre. It felt amazing meeting all those different people.
I really like the workshops and how intense they are, because I really feel like they make you feel more about acting.
I've looked at acting in a completely different way from coming here.
Fy hoff beth I amdan y cwrs oedd gweithio efo'r cyfarwyddwyr proffesiynol a sut oedden nhw yn galluogi ni I fod yn barod i'r byd go iawn.
Dwi'n meddwl yr rhan dwi'n mwynhau fwyaf ydy'r teimlad o gymuned sy'n yna, ac y teimlad bod chi hefo pobl sy'n dall sut ydych chi'n teimlo hefyd.
The most important thing I've learned is to be open and to just be vulnerable, and that's a positive thing, to be vulnerable.
Da ni yn cael amser I orffwyso a amser I gymdeithasu efo'n gilydd, a mae'r noson Cadbryw wir yn amser gret I wneud hynna lle da ni gyd yn gallu dangos ein doniau. Fy top tip I ydy ar gyfer cael y mwyafrif allan o'r cwrs, yfwch digon o ddŵr a cofiwch gael digon o gwsg.
One thing I would definitely say is make notes, because you will not remember it all. And I've still got my notebook and I'm looking back either for some tips for when I'm performing now or creating stuff now, or just to look back at the memories. It's really, really good.